Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, May 6th. So, what's going on from Forex Factory calendar? We've got an 815 number came out. ADP non-farm employment change was only 109,000. A little bit less than expected, but more than the previous. So, not necessarily a bad number, just less than expectations. 9:30 we have FOMC member Muslim speaking, and at 10:30 we have crude oil inventories. 1 p.m. we have FOMC member Goolsby speaking, and that is it for the day. So relatively light scheduled news days. Of course, we'll still have the information coming out of Iran and Trump tweets going on all day long. It's been very difficult trading lately due to the problems with the news cycle. And it's the same old crap, new day. Cruising along, got a nice setup, and what happens? There's a Trump tweet that takes your stops out. So if you're feeling that frustration, a lot of people are. And it doesn't seem to be going away. What's going on with the situation with all-time highs? Here we are, up, gapping up at all-time highs. Why? Absolutely nobody knows. This makes no sense. Fundamentally, war, you name it, this is a market that is defying gravity. I guess it will defy gravity until it doesn't. It's above the moving averages, above the trend lines. It's broken out of this bull flag. Again, the big downside to this is this one situation where we have the worst volume, this horrible volume, not confirming, which means that there's a lot of people on the sidelines waiting to do something. I think we are going to see a nasty, nasty turn at some point. That being said, trade what you see, not what you think. Moving on, looking at the inventory was negative. Here we got this big move up, and looks what's going on. Big negative, a big negative. So people are moving to the sidelines. I think this is a pattern we're going to continue to see. It's just a matter of how far can it go, and I'm going to sit on the sidelines and not get stuck in the massive, nasty retracement that is probably coming. Notice I use the word probably because you got to trade what you see, not what you think. Taking a look at the overnight action, it was approximately 73 points. It's well above average. Continue to have lots and lots of volatility. All-time highs. So where's support and resistance? Nobody knows because there's no prior action. All we can do is guesstimate. So all I've got on a guesstimation is a fib extension way up here at 74. 16. And you can see these purple lines are also fib extensions, guesstimations, 73.23, support 72.93, 72.66, 72.24, 7200. Now we get back into some previous price action, 71.87, 71.80, 71.70. That's about as far as I'm going to go on port. So how do you trade this market? You literally have to trade exactly what you see. If the market's going up, you go long. If the market's going down, you go short. You don't read anything into it. I would have tight stops and relatively tight targets. It's a give me my money now and move on to the next setup. Give me my money as quickly as possible and getting out of the market, because at any given time, a blurb from either Iran, Trump can absolutely obliterate your trades. Even if you have 5 good ones, you can have a massive kill if you happen to be on the wrong side of one of these tweets. That being said, it is what it is. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. We'll see you tomorrow. Remember to subscribe and like. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.